Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Howrah location from West Bengal. Let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for collection officer or senior officer from Dhani India Bulls. The candidate must have minimum graduation, only male candidates are preferred, and you must have two-wheeler, and the salary will be based in the industry. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, Jana Small Finance Bank is hiring a relationship executive and relationship manager for the home loan and loan against property division. The candidate must have relevant experience in secured loans, and the candidate should have the age within 35 years with good credit records. If you are eligible for any of the job position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, Delhi Public School is hiring teachers for teaching primary and middle all subjects. Interested candidates must be completed their BEd. Interested candidates, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for certified public accountant from Cholamandalam Investment and Finance Co Limited. For this position, you must have experience in end-to-end loan application processing from unsecured loans industry will be preferred. Interested candidates, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for MIS executive from Parek Integrated Services Private Limited. For this position, you must have 1 to 6 years of work experience, and also you must have skill sets on VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, pivot table, conditional formatting, SUMIF and SUMIF, COUNTIF and index match. And the salary will be up to 15 to 19,000 per month. Along with that, PF and ESIC. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for center manager from My MD Healthcare Private Limited. For this position, you must have 2 to 4 years of work experience in healthcare industry. Female candidates are preferred for this position. If you are interested, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, Ujjivan Small Finance Bank is hiring for area manager for rural banking. The candidate must have graduation, and agri or allied sciences will be preferred, and you should have post graduation or PGDBA or MBA in rural management will be added advantage. And also you must have minimum 6 to 8 years of work experience in covering assets like agri and allied activity loans, and cross sales in rural areas in a bank or rural business. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for transport coordinator like assistant manager position from Parek Integrated Services Private Limited. For this position, you must have graduation in any discipline will be preferred, and you must have 6 to 7 years of work experience, and you must be computer proficient MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, Outlook and Access, and the working hours will be 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for quality assurance from Narayana Super Specialty Hospital. For this position, you must have minimum 10 years of working experience in quality assurance, and you must be well versed with the latest edition of NABH or JCI, and leading the quality department in coordination with the clinical and non-clinical team. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.